Hey, well, hello. Welcome to the Kilo Cabaret. I'm your host, Kilo, coming to you live from Los Angeles. This past month has been so crazy with holiday fever. So I'm excited for you guys to meet today's guest, Sleigh Bell Sammy. But first, let's catch up with what has happened in the world this week. There we go. So Taylor Swift Eras Tour achieved over $1 billion in revenue, and that's just from the floor seat alone. Jamie Foxx returned to to the stage with his comedy special, What Had Happened. And it was talking about how Jamie Foxx had a blackout. And I know what you're thinking. Like Ray having a blackout would be crazy, him. TikTok faced a potential ban in the United States after losing an appeal on December 2024. Meanwhile, Snapchat is holding support groups over here. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, lost his bid to get a $56 billion pay package reinstated. Talk about billionaire blues. Womp womp. Congresswoman Alexandra Ocasio-Cortez became the first Bluesky user to have 1 million followers. Meanwhile, I'm still begging for 10 on Twitter. Patrick Soon-Shiong, owner of Los Angeles Times, announced plans to implement an AI-powered bias meter to assess the newspaper's coverage. Yet it's weird you can't even read the LA Times at the public library. Power to the people. All right, y'all. That wraps up today's catch up. Come, they told me, ba-dum-ba-bum-bum. I've a newborn king to see, ba-dum-ba-bum-bum. Our finest gifts we bring, ba-dum-ba-bum-bum. To lay before the king, ba-dum-ba-bum-bum. Rum-ba-bum-bum, rum-ba-bum-bum. And they see him, ba-rum-ba-bum-bum. When we come. Little baby, ba-rum-ba-bum-bum. I am a poor boy too, ba-rum-ba-bum-bum. I have no gifts to bring, ba-rum-ba-bum-bum. That's fit enough for a king, ba-rum-ba-bum-bum. Rum-ba-bum-bum, rum-ba-bum-bum. Shall I play for him, ba-rum-ba-bum-bum? Me and my drum. Mary nodded, ba-rum-ba-bum-bum. The ox and lamb kept time, ba-rum-ba-bum-bum. I just played my drums for him, ba-rum-ba-bum-bum. I played my best for him, ba-rum-ba-bum-bum, rum-ba-bum-bum, rum-ba-bum-bum. On my drum. And it is such an honor to learn and play a little bit, even if it's 10% of his work. I feel such a better musician. But enough about me, man. We came here to meet this special guest who's also a musician. I cannot wait to introduce Sleigh Bell Sammy, man. Every sleigh bell you hear this holiday season is all thanks to the original sleigh beller. Okay? before you guys even knew what music was about, Sleigh Bell Sammy was out here putting holiday cheers on all the tracks. So without further ado, let's meet Sleigh Bell Sammy. Ladies and gentlemen, calm your candy canes and take behold me, the one and only Sleigh Bell Sammy. Know those jingles you can't escape? Yeah, that's me, baby. Every Target, every Starbucks, every commercial that's like, buy your love a car for Christmas. My bells are the soundtrack of seasonal capitalism. But it always wasn't like this. No, sir. Once upon a time, I was just a tambourine player at the Mount Zion African Baptist Church of Joyful Noises. Yep, I was a tambourine Tammy back in the day. I played for the choir, and they said my tambourine was too jazzy. Imagine that, too jazzy for a Baptist church. So I got sidelined. I relegated to pew duty, but one snowy Christmas Eve, a miracle happened. The choir was about to perform at the biggest holiday service of the year, and wouldn't you know it, somebody lost the rhythm. Chaos, chaos, chaos. The altos were crying, the sopranos were blaming the tenors, and the drummer was nowhere to be found. Enter Santa Claus. I kid you not. Red suit, big belly, smelled faintly of gingerbread and eggnog, if you catch my drift. But he looked at me, jingleless, sad, in the back pew, and he said, Timmy, you got to groove, but tambourines won't save Christmas. What sound brings joy? What sound makes people weirdly excited to buy gift cards? Sleigh bells. And just like that, he handed me this baby. And I've been slaying ever since. Now, I'm not just a sleigh bell player. I'm an artist. My bells are handcrafted, okay? I got ankle bells, wrist bells, and some even hip-mounted bells. I'm basically a one-person percussion. When Michael Bublé needs a sleigh bell solo, I'm the one he calls. Mariah, beg me to be on All I Want for Christmas. I had to pencil her in between Starbucks jingles, baby. And let's talk about my tour schedule. November through January, I'm booked. I'm booked, solid. Kids, choirs, mall Santas, Hallmark movies. My bells are everywhere. The paparazzi, relentless. They call me the Beyonce of bells, the Jay-Z of jingles, the Miles Davis of ding, ding, ding. But look, it's not about the fame. It's not about the fame. It's about the joy, the magic, the cha-ching of the register, and the laughter of the kids. The sound of the season, my friends. So next time you hear that familiar jingle, just remember it's me, Tambourine Tammy, turned to Sleigh Bell Sammy, the rhythm that saved Christmas. May you have a slaying New Year. We're at the end of this year's cabaret. So once again, if you're still here, smash that like, comment, and at least comment on your favorite or least favorite bit. Please subscribe to the channel, follow my podcast and live shows will be popping up on the newsletter. If you get linked to my link tree, will be somewhere in the description. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the new year. Probably will be editing this in the new year. But yeah, see you next time, baby, and to many more cabarets in 2025.